Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook we are taking mixed berries, a whole lot of sweet muscadine wine, and we are making wine slushies. I am like addicted, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so addicted to wine slushies, but I think this is my new favorite flavor. Let's go. Okay, just 3 ingredients to make these wine slushes. You're gonna need some berries. I got like a bag of frozen berries. You're gonna need some powdered sugar to sweeten things up a bit, and you're gonna need some wine, okay? Some good old sweet wine. I'm using muscadine wine because my god, I love that wine so much. Muscadine wine, yes. Pour that fruit into your blender. Add in some powdered sugar because sometimes berries can be like kind of tart and bitter, so yeah, gotta add that sugar. And then we're gonna add in our wine. Now I have 2 other wine slushy recipes that I've done. It's like a peach moscato one and a strawberry Jolly Rancher one, so go check those out. But I like this one right here. It's so summery and the berry flavor is like popping. So go ahead and just mix that up really well, and when it's done, there you go. You got just some little strawberry wine juice, not strawberry, but some mixed berry wine juice. I'm gonna pour this into a measuring cup because I find it really easy. It makes it easier to pour it into the ice cube trays. If you are wondering where I got these cute little trays from, I will put the link below. I think it's actually like baby food maker trays, but I get asked about these all the time when I have them in the video. And also, you guys, if mixed berries is not your thing, feel free to play around with different fruits, you know, strawberries and peaches and pineapples, and you know, it's really fun to kind of play around with it. Some fruits like banana and apple, you want to stay away from those swollen, but yeah, have fun with it. All right, so I'm gonna place my little lids on my ice cube trays, and then we're gonna stack them up. I love these trays because they stack up and they have a lid. That's why I love them so much. All right, I'm gonna place these into the freezer. I'm gonna freeze these for about 1 hour, just until they are solid. This will not freeze really hard. You know, it's not a very hard freeze, kind of like a soft freeze because of the wine in there. But go ahead and just pop them out. They come out so easy. Pop them out and then just place them into your blender. You can make a single serving. You can make the whole pitcher. This is why I like these little things, because I always have these nice slushy wine cubes in my freezer. Hot summer day. Wonderful. Love it. Okay, so once you have them all in your blender, we're gonna put the lid on, then we're gonna blend. Now in my last wine slushy video, I added some more wine into the ice cubes to kind of get a nice thinner texture. But for this one, for some reason, I don't need to add any more wine. I love this texture just like this. But if you want to thin it out, you can add more wine. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's the texture I like. So we are pretty much done. I have my wine glasses from the freezer. I'm just gonna pour my little wine slushes right into that glass. Yes, this is the part where I start getting real happy, honey, because if it's made with wine, will not decline. Not at all. But that's it, you guys. You can garnish this with some more berries, some mint leaves, just make it look all pretty and stuff, and that is it. We are done. I hope you guys will give these a try. If you do, let me know how you like them, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video. Later.